So first we need to log into Xero with your school email address and the password that you use for Xero. Then if you look on the left, you can see the different folders you can save into. Let's pretend you've done a piece of writing, so you click on the writing folder, you click into share something, you give it a title and a description in this box, make sure you edit it. You can come down here if you want to get something from your Google Drive, a doc or a slide, or something saved to your device in this button. Make sure you've edited everything. Click next. If it relates to any of your goals, click on the goal, curriculum, key competencies, and save. Then the teacher will see it and approve it. Also note that in here you've got My Feed, which is where you'll be able to see anything that other teachers have posted in here for you to see.